Hello, welcome back. Today I want to do a review of the first few years of my Etsy shop and how it has done. I'm doing this video while my daughter is awake. She's currently playing with my car keys. Anyways. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get right in. I want to say I started in July of 2022. Within that first year, I made 12 orders and $44. So a little bit over $44. I feel like that was really great for only having, I think I only listed one thing. July was during my second trimester. I think I just slept the majority of that time in my life. I was exhausted. Hi. Anyways, let's see. So yeah, that first year was really just kind of like a test year to kind of see what it would be like to have my own Etsy shop, kind of test the waters. I'm so glad I started when I did because I've learned so much. Okay, in the second year, I had maybe about 10 or 11 listings that I really hustled to put together. I sold 66 orders and made a revenue of $296, just over. That felt super encouraging for my first year of like really trying, because the 2022 year was, like I said, I just like was pregnant and sleeping most of that time. So in 2023, I had my daughter in February. So I'm really proud of the progress that I made on my patterns, as well as raising my daughter and just trying to be as present for her as possible. That's a lot of work. But moving forward to 2024, I sold 118 orders with just over $600 in revenue. So moving forward, I'm really excited seeing this progress that was made. My best month was June. I had $113 in revenue. Let's see, that was a 20 order month. The next month closest to that in orders was November. I did a really good Black Friday deal, which I'll probably continue doing every Black Friday. It's really the only time that I offer a discount on my patterns. I feel like discounting my stuff is not something I enjoy doing. So I put a lot of work into these patterns and the instructions, and yeah, discounting them doesn't feel quite right, except for on Black Friday, because everybody's doing it, so peer pressure. And then, yeah, it just seems to be increasing as like snowballing. The longer I'm on, the more visibility I get, the better my conversion rate seems to be getting, which means that, you know, people who are looking for what I have to offer want what I have to offer. Thank you. What's in your hair? So yeah, it's like I don't have any control over how much I sell when I sell, and I try to make my peace with that, and I try to focus on the things that I can control, like how many patterns I have available, the quality of my work, the SEO side of it. So yeah, my goals for the next years are to really just increase the inventory that I have available, create more patterns, more ideas, just more. I also really want to focus a lot of energy on filming the work that I do behind the scenes. I think there might be some interest in that. Maybe you yourself want to create your own Etsy shop and sell your own tutorials. Like, it's really fun. I know myself, I really would like to focus on clothing that I want to wear, not just things for my daughter. I mean, that's my background. My background is women's wear. So I think with my workflow moving forward, I have yearly goals, I have quarterly goals, I have monthly goals, weekly goals, daily goals. So it's kind of broken down in that way. And every night before I go to bed, I review my goals for the week and ask myself, like, okay, like, is there anything that needs to move around? Is there anything that's just not vibing with me anymore? I can't wait to share more, to show everyone what I love to do, and stick around because we've got more coming your way. Send me a question in the comments if you've got any about whatever you want to ask me. I'm an open book. I love sharing. I love creating. I love inspiring. I would love to know what you're working on and what you find the most fun to work on, what lights you up, what you find challenging. It could be sewing, it could be life, like whatever. Just share with me, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say. So until next time, you're doing great. Keep it up. Mwah.